Hello, my name's Ryan, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Deluxe Multi-Fluid Exchanger machine. This is the power steering segment. If you'd like to see the differential service segment, please go back to the main menu. Please wear safety goggles and gloves for eye and hand protection during the entire procedure. Try to work in a well-ventilated area, or if possible, pipe the exhaust to an outside area. Keep tools and hoses clear from all moving parts and inspect the vehicle for fluid leaks, damaged hoses or belts, engine noise, or any unsafe conditions. Remove power steering reservoir cap and screen if applicable. If using a pre-cleaner, add to reservoir. Set parking brake and with foot on brake pedal, turn on engine. Turn steering wheel from side to side several times. Turn off engine. Attach power steering new fluid service hose and cap to a new power steering fluid bottle and place onto the exchanger. Make sure that the used fluid tank is not full and that it is properly attached to the machine's waste hose. The used fluid tank is located in the lower front of the chassis. Verify that both new and used fluid switches are in the off position. Attach the Deluxe Power Steering Exchanger's battery clips to the vehicle's 12-volt battery terminals, black clip to negative terminal and red clip to the positive terminal. Attach the service hose from the machine to the drain-fill hose adapter at the vehicle. Insert the drain-fill hose into the power steering reservoir. Use the extension tube adapters if needed, especially for GM models. The optional remote control adapter may be installed at this time. Note: align the remote control's male cable pin connector with the female plug connector on the front panel. Turn the lock ring to the right to secure the male connector. Do not bend the pins. With the parking brake set, start the engine. Press the used fluid drain switch to the on position. Note: do not run the reservoir completely dry. This could damage the power steering pump. When the old fluid has been evacuated, immediately press the used fluid drain switch to off to stop the process. Immediately press the new fluid fill switch to the on position. Add new fluid to the reservoir until the correct fluid level is reached. Then press the new fluid fill switch to the off position to stop the fluid flow. Repeat the procedure with the remote control. Press the used fluid drain button on to evacuate the old fluid and release to stop the process. Press the new fluid fill button on to add new power steering fluid and release the new fluid fill button to stop the process. After adding new fluid, turn the steering wheel from side to side to ensure that all the old fluid has been replaced with new fluid. Repeat the procedure with the remote control until the new power steering fluid bottle is empty. Note: when adding power steering fluid conditioner, leave the necessary space in the reservoir at the end of the flushing service. Check the power steering fluid level as per the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, turn the engine off, disconnect the battery clips, and replace the reservoir cap and screen. Remove the restraint strap by lifting it up and out. Pull the tank out far enough to unscrew the tank cap to the left. Lift the cap up and slide the tank out of the machine. Transfer the tank's contents to an approved waste oil container for disposal in accordance with all local, state, and federal regulations. Once emptied, you may reinstall the used fluid tank by following the instructions in reverse order. Congratulations! You have completed the power steering segment. If you want to see the differential service segment, please go back to the main menu and select that option. I'm your host Ryan. Thank you very much for watching.